My teacher killed me. Bin alt. Zu haben experience. Erfahrung.
Okay. So the question was,
My teacher killed me. One time I shoot a penalty in a final, and I wanted to shoot on the right, and the ball goes on the left, and so I was terrible, honestly. Me gustaría ver Cristiano Ronaldo al banquillo, Benzema en la grada e Bale a casa a ver el partido. If he decided to continue, I can change also his position to run less than normal. If we take 3 points against Cologne, I will try 3 beer and maybe number 4 also. I am your assistant.
Yeah, the best in the world. Not only the best trainer, the best assistant.
And I was lucky enough to play a fantastic final.
He knows that cup is mine. Keine Angebot für China. No. Ich bin traurig. No, ja.
Tom, bitte.
Telefon.